Hello everyone, my name is Prachi Pratap Shinde. Today's topic is Object Life Cycle in Java, and today's date is 24 October 2024. Introduction to Object Life Cycle in Java. In Java, objects are central to its object-oriented programming paradigm. An object is an instance of a class, and its life cycle refers to the phases it undergoes from its creation. Understanding the object life cycle is crucial for effective memory management and optimization in Java application. In this, I will the process from the object creation to the garbage collection. First, object creation. An object in Java is created using the new keyword which allocated memory for the object and initialized by invoking the constructor. For example, car, my car equal to new car. Parenthesis. In this line, the car object is created and the memory is allocated in the heap. Memory are reserved for the dynamic allocation. Behind the scene, class loading. The Java class loader loads the class definition, example car, into the memory. Memory allocation. Java allocates the memory for the object in the heap. Constructor call the constructor initialize the object state such as the setting up instance variable. Second, object in use, object life cycle lifetime. Once an object is created, it stay in a memory for as long as it's referenced. During this time, the object can be used, modified or accessed by other part of the program. An object can have multiple reference pointing to it, which means it can be shared across the method or the classes for the instance. Car, my class equal to new car. Car, another class equal to my car. Another reference to the same object. As long as there are at least one reference to the object, it is considered to be in use. Important concept, instance variable and methods. The object's behavior is defined by its method, while its state is stored in instance variable. Mutability. An object can either be mutable, its state can be changed, or immutable, its state cannot be changed after the creation. Third is object dereferencing. An object can become eligible for garbage collection if no part of the program holds a reference to it. Dereference happens when the variable pointing to the object to state the null, my car equal to null. The variable goes out of the scope. Example, in a local method, once the method completed, the object reference is discarded. Reference are reassigned to the other object. At this point, the object is no longer needed, and in Java, virtual machine will be eventually reclaim its memory. Fourth is garbage collection. Java uses automatic memory management through the garbage collector to remove the objects that are no longer referenced. This prevents memory, ensure efficient use of resolution. What is garbage collection? Garbage collection is the process by which the JVM automatically delocated the memory for the object that are no longer in use. It runs the background, freezing up the heap memory so the developer doesn't need to manually handle the memory management. That's all about the object lifecycle in Java. Thank you.